We never knew hurricanes could hit Pennsylvania.
And our power went out, so we went to Walgreens to buy some batteries.
And
It's actually blizzarding too.
And a flashlight. It's for hurricanes and blizzards. And now we're gonna go to our grandma's house to do our hair.
Cause
it's gross.
And I need to look sexy.
And we need to look really cute.
Really cute for the hurricane. I kind of want to go in the store. Let's do it.
Okay. I'm gonna bring my purse in. Is this still going yet?
Yes. Fuck the keys. We're gonna walk into the camera. People are gonna think we're like robbing them.
We're getting our property.
Watch my camera like set off the detector. Right there. We're in Walgreens. It's empty because it's 3 a.m. My camera's dying. Where's the food?
This is what I want.
The wave, me too. We're here, being protected from the hurricane blizzard. Oh! Come on. It's still recording, girl.
I thought someone was talking to me.
They were. I thought they were supposed to have food at these places.
They're cornflakes.
For the hurricane.